In previous videos we have already examined the unit CMM-2.2 and described functionality of our equipment, how it helps to resolve transformer maintenance issues. Let's remember the most important items. During operation of a transformer, its oil is being contaminated and moistured. Even a small quantity of moisture, trapped by transformer oil, slumps oil breakdown strength. In this case oil needs to be dried. Detached paper insulation of windings and small suspended particles of carbon need to be removed by mechanical filter. CMM-2.2 machine is produced precisely for transformer oil maintenance. It will work for the intended purpose. Company Globecor always aspires to improvements, constantly upgrades the quality of output products, manufactures new models of equipment. Let's have a look on a model of a mobile oil purification plant CMM-LT of 2020. This machine will set a new industry benchmark for capacity of 2 cubic meters per hour. Comparing with the previous models, it became more rugged. One person can easily move this unit from one workplace to another and to perform routine maintenance. Power consumption of the unit have been decreased along with overall dimensions, saving the unit capacity. Automatic control of the unit is at the top level. As always, mere child can deal away with control of this unit. The machine was significantly upgraded by installation of E+E moisture meter. It checks parameters of oil entering the unit, saving time required for lab testing. After the new model of CMM have entered the market, process of oil degassing became more cost-effective and reasonable. For more information visit www.globecor.com.